Coleg y Cymoedd, our students are fantastic. They're keen, they're eager, they want to learn, they're passionate about the industry, and I feel really at Coleg y Cymoedd we try to give them every opportunity to help them succeed. We're extremely lucky with the facilities that we have. It is actually a realistic working environment. It's open to the public. Clients come in, book appointments. It is actually run exactly the same as a commercial salon in the high street. And therefore it's far more realistic so that they are ready for the world of work.
I wanted to do this course because I like doing treatments on other people, and I've started doing some treatments on my friends as well, and they really enjoy it. I heard about the reputation through people that have done the course previously, and I felt that it was a good choice for me to do this course. It feels more like a real working salon than being stuck in a classroom all day. The course tutors are really good because they're industry professionals and they've been doing it a long time, so they're teaching you their skills rather than just teaching you from a book.
So we do manicures, pedicures, facials, spray tan, and later on in the year we'll be doing stuff like waxing and eyebrows and eyelashes. Yeah, I've really enjoyed coming to Coleg y Cymoedd to do beauty. I feel that I'm very much ready to work in a real salon.
I do think that Coleg y Cymoedd has been my first step into the hair and beauty industry.